Hey guys, it's Brandon with Obsessed RC. Today is going to be my maiden voyage for the Volantex Vector Pro Angry Shark. Trying out this new camera. It's a freaking cell phone mounted to my head because I don't have a GoPro right now. But yeah, this is a test, so I don't even know if I'm going to be able to record anything. Now, I don't have any boat tape yet, and I don't have any lube. I have not greased anything yet, so this is my maiden voyage, but I want to freaking take it out. And it's a pretty cool ESC. I'm really impressed with the size and the color scheme of the boat. I think it looks really cool. But anyways, Angry Shark Vector Pro, $269, Amazon. Hold on, I gotta. I hear a boat coming. Hopefully we didn't damage the boat. Let's see if we scraped it. Sure, as soon as I come out, here comes our freaking real boat. It's definitely... Oh, it doesn't have reverse. It definitely handles a lot different than the Vector 70 that I had, that's for sure. Not saying it's a bad thing. I just haven't figured it out yet. Oh, looks like we're okay. So yeah, this is my main. Oh man, my controller just got soaked. Well, it definitely scoots. I'm definitely glad I didn't get a cat. Got tangled up in my own damn fishing line. And without it having reverse, I have to freaking reel it in. Let's just wait on this. I might order the Aqua King. I'm gonna keep this boat, but it's very unstable. It's also pretty choppy water, so. But my Vector 70 that I had was smaller, but it was a lot more stable. This is running on 4S right now. Probably just save the battery until... Yeah, it's a wakeboard boat, so it kicks out a lot of wake. That's full throttle. It's definitely heavier with those two 2S batteries in there. I might have to put the other battery on the other side. Maybe that'll balance it out a little bit. I'm happy with it though, $269 on Amazon. See if we can test the auto riding feature. Oh gosh, I'm flooring it and it will not. Yeah, I like it. I'm happy with it. The only bullshit thing is it has no reverse. Yeah, it's stable. It just flies across the water. It's weird. I'm definitely going to order the Aquaholic. The only thing is the battery trays are pretty small on that boat, so. Oh man, I doubt you can see it on camera, but I almost got the line. What do you think? Is it cool? Huh? Yeah. I don't know if it's any faster than my other one though.
The white one you had was
Oh. Did you see that? See, here's the auto feature. Let's see if it works. It's taking its sweet time. Is it gonna work? Come on, it's supposed to self-right. Let's go. Come on, flip over. The batteries are too heavy. Damn it. There we go. It worked. It flipped over. See how full of water it is. Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah. It is freaking full. Wow. Sorry guys, I know this is boring. Oh. I lost a grommet. I mean, maybe it doesn't. Won't matter. Come on. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I lost that grommet. I have to order another one. Hopefully this receiver is freaking waterproof. It would be sweet if I landed a fish. Well, I'm sitting here. Let's see. Oh yeah, it drives pretty freaking nice on the calm water. Definitely not my fastest boat though. Fast enough. It is a blast. $269, very well spent. You know, I could always upgrade it too in the future to make it go faster. could probably honestly just mess with different kV of the motor possibly, or upgrade ESCs, I don't know. But I think the next thing that I'm going to do for sure is order the Hobby King Aquaholic. And here comes the freaking day runners. I'm just kidding. I'm all for real boating. But god dang, that thing took a minute to flip over. I got scared. Whoa! Oh! It freaking torpedoed underwater. See how much water it has in it now. Oh, we gotta take advantage of the waves. Oh, that was sweet. I also am considering possibly getting the S. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. On camera. Do not wrap yourself around that fucking pole, you bitch. Nope. You cocksucker. Oh, my bell. I hate you. Those things work. Yeah. And you know where I had it? I caught it with my boat, so I just dropped it right into the water on front of the dock, like, yeah. And I'm recording a video, and I caught the fish too. Isn't that funny? Damn, I can't get the hook out. There we go, buddy. Whoa! Didn't want to get hit with the tines or whatever they're called. Anyways. At least I know I can catch fish in the lake here this summer, so that is a good sign. See how full of water it is now. Keep in mind I have, oh, my hands are covered in friggin' fish crap. Huh? Actually, I don't think there's much water in it at all, which is a good sign. No. Minimal amount. And it looks like this receiver is waterproof, so that is a good thing. But all in all, I'm very happy with this boat. I will link the product in the description, because I was just looking for the best value boat that I could get out on the water with. I was just looking for the best bang for my buck for saying this is 4S, 40 amp ESC, I believe. I'm not sure. And you know, you see it goes pretty fast. It's got all metal hardware, and the self-riding feature works. So yeah, and I mean the runtime is almost at this point pretty impressive. And all I did is spend $32 on batteries. So altogether, with batteries, this thing cost me $300. Oh wow, look at that snake. Oh, he went back underwater. That's creepy. That's creepy. That was like a water moccasin or something. There he is. Oh, he went back underwater. Oh, there he is. Oh, the boat. See if he pops his head back out. Oh, there he is. Let's be quiet and see if he says anything. What a weirdo. Where is he going? And that's so crazy that snakes can just swim like that. Not happening. I'm not swimming in there. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not scared of snakes. Where'd it go? Oh. Alright, well, the video's been long enough. My head's starting to hurt from having this thing on me, so. Brandon with Obsessed RC. I appreciate you guys checking out my new boat with me. More to come, more new toys soon, I promise. It passed its maiden voyage, I would say, with flying colors. Let me get my pole back out there, get some more bait on it. I got my battery checker. Let's check these lipos and see what's left in them. Oops. Well, I also brought my 3S batteries so I can run it on 3S. I'm sure it'll be pretty damn slow, but I could always do that when I run out of 4S juice. 8%. Okay, yeah, they're done. They are done. Anyways, Brandon with Obsessed RC. Thanks.